Sai Ram. Today let us learn one bhajan. It's a Mangalam bhajan. It's in Raga Kalyani. So today I'll show you and I'll sing the bhajan. So please practice the bhajan and then I'll show you the notes later. The bhajan Kalyani is like this. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. So in this I assume that this is sa. Ramamangalam Sitaramamangalam Shamamangalam Ganashamamangalam Shamamangalam Ganashamamangalam Om Mangalam Omkaramangalam Guru Mangalam Guru Padamangalam Sai Mangalam Sai Natha Mangalam Sai Mangalam Sai Natha Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Sarva Loka Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Sarva Loka Mangalam Om Mangalam Omkara Mangalam Guru Mangalam Guru Pada Mangalam Rama Mangalam Sita Rama Mangalam Shama Mangalam Ganna Shama Mangalam Om Mangalam Omkara Mangalam Guru Mangalam Guru Pada Sai Mangalam Sai Natha Mangalam Sai Mangalam Sai Natha Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Sarva Loka Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Sarva Loka